getting picked in IPL for the first time. I've never been an express guy. If you look at the bowling attack, I think RCB management has covered all the bases. Honestly, it feels great to be back in RCB.
Big Basket Now presents RCB Bowl Diaries.
It's not new for me in terms of the environment because I know most of the guys, but of course they're new guys. I'll meet them, we'll have chat, and we'll play alongside for 3 months now. I've never been an express guy. I was never used to bowl quick even at a small age. So I mean, I had to be really a controlled guy in terms of swing, the line and length to control the batsman. I think that's how it came to me. And as I grew older, I increased the pace. I think control has always been there. Swing came natural to me. One thing I feel that being from Meerut, because there are a lot of factories in Meerut, so you get new balls on regular basis. So I used to bowl a lot with the new balls. I think that's where it developed, and as I kept playing, I kept talking to the seniors or my colleagues. We always discuss about the swing. I think that's where it started and kept getting better. I was really lucky to play alongside with Praveen Kumar. He played for RCB. I always looked up to him, the way he bowled, the way he's swinging the ball, and I've always seen him what he's doing on the field.
अष्टे ना
अष्टे सर
सही है यार Now delivering in 10 minutes.
Before the auction, I had no idea will RCB go for me or not, because auction is a different dynamics. You don't know what's going to happen. But yes, when they picked me, I got message from the director, the coach, and everyone else. I mean, I spoke to them. Really looking forward for this IPL. If you look at the bowling attack, I think RCB management has covered all the bases: experience, skill-wise, or pace, bounce, whatever that is. I think they've covered all the bases. Yeah, I know Yash there very well. We play for the same state. Opponent भी काफी खेलना है, so I think I know him in and out. He's a great guy, very good bowler. So yes, looking forward to play with him. Yeah, Hazelwood, he's the one who controls his line and length pretty well. Of course, he's a tall guy. He got a good bounce. The way he bowls with the new ball, he swings the ball. He bowls in a good areas. He has, I think, has a good knuckle balls. He's kind of a bowler who can give you a good start, who can bowl in the middle, who can bowl in the depth as well. So I think he's pretty good bowler. Last year, RCB played first half, and the second half it was totally different. And the way they were playing the second half, you always feel good looking at the team, not from an opposition point of view, but as a cricketer or the guy who loves cricket, you always admire them, those things. You always wants to adapt those things, how they came back. अगर आप चिन्ना स्वामी की बात करेंगे, आई नो इट्स हाई स्कोरिंग ग्राउंड है, बट आई थिंक जितना अच्छा बॉलिंग अटैक होता है, जितना एक्सपीरियंस होता है, उतनी ही चांसेस होते हैं कि टीम अच्छा करे. आई ऑलवेज लव प्लेइंग हियर. आई नो इट्स बीन अ टफ ग्राउंड फॉर बॉलर्स. चिन्ना स्वामी हेल्प्स स्विंग बॉलर्स, सो आई मीन लेट्स फिंगर्स क्रॉस एंड होप फॉर द बेस्ट. हमेशा एडमायर किया है मैंने आरसीबी फैंस को एज अपोनेंट, बिकॉज जिस तरह से टीम ने अच्छा किया है या नहीं किया है सीजन में, दे ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड देम. सो अच्छा लग रहा है आरसीबी में आके. होपिंग आप फिर से सपोर्ट करेंगे, मुझे करेंगे, टीम को करेंगे, एंड होपिंग फॉर अ गुड सीजन दिस ईयर.